Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I am limiting the Patreon memberships, right? They are going to be capped and they are filling up. And once they are capped, that's it. And once the migration happens, minimum, it's going to be a one-time fee of like $500-600 on my website, right? So right now, I think it's like $10-20 a month. For the Patreon, you get everything, but once the spots fill up, not even before the spots fill up, you know, everything's gonna push to the website, right? Anyways, patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. Wanted to do a real quick market cap or just really a review of what's going on right now. And like I told you guys, and like I've been telling you guys, I am extremely bearish. Every single time we've closed a 2-week trigger, right, we've ended up falling a tremendous amount on the SPX, right? Without failure, every single 2-week trigger, perfect entry. On any other kind of trigger, really anything, right? It's been always a huge fall, you know, and I don't expect any different this time, right? So if we're just looking at 2-week triggers, again, like this is right there, boom, 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 from high to low, high to low. This is high to low. I mean, just like that, we're looking at, you know, 70, 86, 62, 487, right? So anywhere between like a $50 to like an $80 drop from these highs within roughly, I don't know, 84 days, let's say, right? 84 days, anywhere between a, let's say 48 to like an $80 drop, like right here, right? So this whole range is open for the SPX to drop, right? And personally, I'm looking more for a range of like right here, somewhere around this range, right? I'm thinking we're gonna drop somewhere between here. I don't know if we'll drop all the way down to 445. I don't think we'll drop that hard. I'm looking more in the lines of like a 480, 470, to maybe like a max drop of like 460, right? If you actually end up doing something like really bad news or something, then we can possibly drop pretty hard. But I'm targeting right now on the SPX or the SPY somewhere along the lines of like a 450-ish to like a 460, 470-ish kind of price tag, right? And that's roughly going to be anywhere between like a 10 to like a 15% sell off, I think, on the SPY. So yeah, I mean, just wanted to update you guys. The 2-week, again, the 2-week has been almost every single time correlated with these massive drops, right? Massive drops. 2-week massive drop, right? 2-week drop, right? 2-week drop, right? So every single 2-week has been extremely correlated with big old drops, right? And especially when the QQQ is also you know, heavily you know, bearish right now as well. So again, just letting you guys know, and they're also the 2 weeks are also early indicators of us closing a bear trigger on the monthly. And again, same thing, bear trigger on the monthly, sell off. Bear trigger on the monthly, sell off. Bear trigger, sell off. Bear trigger, sell off. Like, I don't know what else to really tell you guys, but you know, these are really, you know, these are pretty big correlations with these triggers, right? So just letting you know, I'm not saying we can crash or that we will. I'm just saying that it's an extremely high, it's a very high probability, right? Like the chances of us crashing to 479, 480 SPX or to like 460 SPX, right, are extremely high within the next 3 months. Is it gonna happen? I have no idea. But the chance of this happening goes from like no percentage to like a 80% chance of happening. So I'll see you guys later. Also, this is gonna close tomorrow. So this 2-week trigger will be active tomorrow. The QQQ, again, was an early indication. Like I told you guys the last week or two, the SPY closing this is confirmation for me that there's like an 80-90% chance we're going to sell off to like 450, 470. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.